flew? You got both?
Bruh.
No, that one doesn't count. What is that? Ew. Oh, ah! 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to Jancy Family. George's taking a nap. He's not going to do this challenge with us. He's gonna be staying here. No fidgets for him.
Hey! You scared Siri.
So we're right here at Walmart, guys. We're gonna be doing this awesome challenge. Since you guys love the other one, we decided to do another one like it about fidgets, right, Starry?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing who could get the most fidgets in their color challenge. Okay? So everybody's gonna get 1 minute, okay? 1 minute. Okay, yeah, 1 minute. Alright, so we're gonna be going inside, but before that, guys, if you're still not part of the family, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notifications. Why? Why? Why?
To join our Jancy Family.
That's right. Also, because we're gonna give out another iPhone on our next video, guys.
Yeah.
So let's go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Hey guys, so we went to Walmart and we couldn't find any fidgets, like at all. Right, Starry? We went online to see where we could find them, and we found Dollar Tree and 99-cent store. We already went to Target and we got most of them that they had. So we're gonna be going to the Dollar Tree right now to see if we could find any.
I'm not sure if they have some.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
I'm not sure though.
Hopefully nobody took them.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're here. We're gonna see who's gonna go first. George, Siri, or Starry?
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so George is going last.
Okay, ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, Siri and then Starry.
I'm the best.
Okay, so Siri's gonna be picking yellow fidgets only.
Okay, I'm a little scared, too scared, a lot scared.
So you got all this side right here.
Okay.
Ready, set, go! Wait, time out. You gotta leave this so you can do it with 2 hands.
Okay, now?
And go!
I think this is a fidget.
No, leave it.
I got it.
Go. Put it in the car. Why are you carrying it? Okay, 50 seconds.
Is this a fidget?
I think so, but
That is orange.
that is orange. 40. Hurry, Mama, you're going too slow. You can wait, you can only do one. Come on, look for more. Hurry, Siri, hurry. 30.
Siri! No, that's not fidget.
20.
Does this count?
Come on, Siri. Is that a fidget?
I don't know.
10.
Let's look at
There is yellow. I think yellow thing is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got the last one.
Okay.
So you got a lot.
So you got a lot. Okay, so this pink one, what is this one doing in here?
This one's
Starry, you started early. Okay, George, remember, you have to get blue, okay?
No, it's my turn.
Oh yeah, your turn, alright. Okay, so Starry's ready. You ready?
She already picked up.
Yeah, she picked up ball, okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready, Siri, to count?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Oh, your mom's too slow. She's too slow.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna help you.
She's too slow. She's too slow.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
40.
No, wait. This is very hard. Yeah, this thing.
Yeah, you guys could help her.
Oh my god. No, it's
This.
No, that's not it.
Oh, look, pink. This comes like for pink, right?
20.
Give me that.
Okay. Wait. Is this
Pink,
pink?
no.
It's not. Oh, this.
I already
yellow.
have this one. Look.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh my god, this is very hard. Guys, this is super hard.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No more. You're done.
Yeah, you're done.
That was a whole minute.
Mama.
How about that?
We got a bunch of
Can I
things.
get-
What color is that?
It's yellow.
No,
No, you cannot put it, Mama. You
sorry, Siri. You already. George, why are you cheating, huh? You looking around to see what you could find? I don't know, George.
He's looking for blue.
He's looking for blue.
Papa, do not cheat. Okay, you ready, Pa?
Wait,
1. Ready?
wait. You ready, George?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. What? How come they're all there? Oh, we have a cheater.
What? How did they do it?
He found all of them in one box.
What?
I don't think.
Fishes?
That's why I'm gonna give him less time. So he's gonna get 30 seconds only. So 20,
I already got that.
15,
Don't think.
15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time! Okay, we have to check and see that they're all fidgets and that they're their color.
Okay.
If not, we're gonna take them out. Okay?
You know what? Let me go another part.
No, it's fine. We could take them out
With
here.
this one?
Yeah, okay. So let's take them out and then we're gonna be back.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we have all the fidgets that we got. We're gonna be going home to see who got the most fidgets.
I think me.
Nope.
I mean,
You?
sorry. Yeah.
No,
Because we have
me.
only you.
I think me because yellow. No, I think yellow has the most things. No, me. Because of the sun. I won.
So let's go home and see who got the most and which ones are the best to play with.
I think I'm gonna win because angels are yellow and I'm an angel, so I'm gonna win.
I thought they were white.
Family, comment down
Angels
below.
are yellow.
Who is going to win? Who is going to win? Comment down below.
Alright. Hey guys, so we just got back. We're gonna be seeing who got the most fidgets. Starry, come. What are you doing over there? Come.
So
Come. What is that? What is it?
who's going first?
No, I'm gonna be giving you all the fidgets, then we're gonna count at the end. You ready? So yellow, who's yellow? Boom. Pink. Boom. What is this?
I have no idea, but that's kind of pink.
I don't know. I don't even think this is a fidget, guys. Okay. Blue, George. Blue, George.
Wow.
What is this?
It's kind of pink. Give me it.
Oh my god, you cheating.
No, look, it's pink.
No, it's not. Yellow fidget. Pink.
Pink.
Blue.
Sorry, come.
Yellow. Yellow.
Ah,
Yellow. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Chocolate. Oh. Pink. This is blue. Blue. Pink. Okay. Yellow. Starry, come, bruh. Blue. Okay. There's a lot. Pink.
And this looks like
Another blue? You got both? No, that one doesn't count, George. You got double.
wait, I don't think that's a fidget.
Yeah, I don't think that's even a fidget, bro. Another yellow? No, guys. Somebody's cheating. What is this? Oh, that could count like blue, I guess. Then we have yellow. And I don't know, that's yellow and pink. I don't even know that one.
So that's
Yellow. Who got this? Did you get that?
Yes, pink. He has pink.
Okay, now count. Let's see who got the most fidgets. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10.
10.
12.
What?
The winner, oh no! So the winner is Siri! And then George counted 2 of the same one, so.
Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got
Okay, I
6.
think this one doesn't count because
7.
But still, Siri won. She got like old
but
fidgets.
then George got the second place and I got the third place.
This one,
Only 9.
this one doesn't count either.
Oh, okay, so we're even.
You guys tied. So let's open the fidgets. I think Siri should go first because she won.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so Siri's gonna be opening her fidgets. All right, what's the first one?
This is my favorite.
A chicken?
Yeah.
Look at Star's face. Look at Star's face. What is that? What is that? Okay, next. What's next? What's next?
I don't know, but the bag is yellow, so I think it counts.
There's some yellow right there.
What is that? Is that sand?
I have no idea.
What is that? Ew.
Play-Doh.
Oh, it is Play-Doh.
So I think I got yellow. I didn't
Yellow
know,
Play-Doh.
I don't know this was yellow.
Okay, what is that? Let's see, what is that? Oh, that's cool.
Hello, guys.
Magic spring. Star magic. Magic spring.
Okay,
I
next.
have 2 by the way.
2? What?
I wanted to share some with George.
Oh.
George, I think George has one too, so don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, what's the next one, Mama?
Okay, the next one. What's next?
Maybe the Play-Doh.
That's another Play-Doh? But it's the same thing as this.
Okay, let me open it for you.
It's just I didn't know it was the same.
Okay, let's get something else. What is that?
It's like a face suit.
Girl? Does it girl? What is this?
It's a mask, right?
It's like a... Ah!
Looks so creepy.
Okay, so there's a, is this Goofy? That's Goofy.
I don't know. I'm not sure if it's slime.
That one is a slime, Mama.
Okay, so this is Play-Doh.
Whoa.
You can make a ball.
Yeah. Guys, make sure when you have slime, make sure it doesn't get in your hair because you're gonna have to take a shower for months.
Yeah, for months. She knows about that.
Yeah, remember when George put a lot of slime on your hair? And you like take off in the shower?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was crazy, right?
What are you opening?
Oh, look
Oh, what is
Can I
that?
feel?
at this! Yeah. That is so cool.
Now it's
It's gooey.
Okay, I think it's the same.
Yeah, they're both the same.
What's
Yeah, it's the
this?
same. Mama, I can open it, but it's not the same. Definitely.
Starry, you're gonna go next. Oh wait, George is going
What's
next.
this? Wait.
What is that?
What the heck? This you
That
can.
one is so cool. Look
Take
at
it out. Oh! Wait,
Ew.
what is this?
What? Let's see. What is that?
Oh, I know my stains are so cool.
What is it?
It's like,
Oh, that's not. Oh, that's like sand, no?
it's slime.
that is so
Slime?
relaxing, amor. Yeah.
Oh, it looks
You can be
nice.
touching this thing for hours.
Wait, is that it? Siri, that's all your fidgets?
Well, I have the last thing.
The ball and this other
Well, you
ball.
got a lot.
This is totally my favorite.
The chicken?
Hello, chicken. Hello, chicken.
All right, George next. All right, so George is next. Let's open all the blue ones. Well, this one you can't open it because there's 2 of them.
Okay,
so.
I'm gonna open these.
What are those? You got 2 of those too?
I know, but they're different shapes. So one is
Oh,
on
yeah.
the other and one is. So they're like dinosaur things.
Dinosaur things.
Dinosaur?
What the heck?
Dinosaur.
What is that?
Oh, you put your fingers inside. I'll try.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, look. Hey. That's cool. So it's like the wobbly thing. But I have one question. What is this? It's like something in it. Oh yeah, let's open it. Okay,
So wait a minute.
I know, that's
Is that blue?
not really, but the case is blue.
so.
The package. Starry, why are you over there, bro? Come with us. Come with us. Come with us, pieces. 1, 2, 3. Oh. What is it?
This is like a mummy.
What?
Oh, it's so relaxing,
Oh,
right?
that one's pretty tight.
Wow, it feels so comfy.
Are you ready, guys?
Click the bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, if you don't subscribe and click the bell, this mommy will get you.
Oh no, the mommy. Okay, let me open. I think this one is the same like Suri's.
Oh yeah, it's the same thing. It's just like Play-Doh.
Yeah, what happened, Ma?
No, look, rawr,
She wants to go next.
I think George's favorite.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Oh, look at this.
Stars.
Ah, pobrecito.
This one is nice.
What is that there?
It looks like water.
Oh my god! It's like.
Is that Play-Doh? That's Play-Doh, right?
Oh no, I'm in love with this. Oh no, look at this, amor.
Oh!
So cute.
Wait, that's mine. Wait. This is yellow, so. No, it's mine. No, I got it.
It's yellow. You can have yellow. You only can.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Oh no.
I'm gonna open this now. It's a little pig.
I wanna.
Is it a what? A pig?
I wanna eat it.
No.
What? You can't.
Yeah, it looks like a.
Starry, you cannot eat it, right? You cannot eat it. You cannot eat it, Starry.
My mom is crazy. This?
Starry.
There's this. My mom is crazy. Like she wants to eat a pig.
I know.
It looks
You
so
can't.
What is
cute.
this?
I want to eat it.
No. How can you eat it if it's so cute? Like
That's
that's
like a sand. Okay, let me open it and you can play with that. Okay.
okay.
What is that? Oh, that's like the other one, right?
Yeah, it's like a kind of sand.
Let's see this. Oh, Fidget.
Spring.
Magic Spring.
I just love this little thing.
Starry, look at this fidget. Look at the fidget. Ooh, the fidget. Look at the fidget. Alright guys, so we gotta do Starry next. So the princess is next! Bravo!
Look at this. I'm an expert. Because when I was a child, I had one of these things. Oh, I remember when. Okay, I love this thing, by the way. Okay, let's see.
What's next? What is that? What's next?
I don't know, Mama. What do you think is next?
Okay, this is.
That's not a fidget. You're out.
Oh, yeah, you have to put these things inside. Look.
Oh, inside the thing.
That's a Fidget.
Yeah, so we can do this later. So now let's open this.
What's that?
I have no idea.
Wait, this is yellow. So, do we have to share because this is all our colors: blue, yellow, and pink.
No, this is only pink.
Well, we gotta share because all this
Oh,
it's like jelly.
Oh, it is like jelly.
Jelly.
look at this, amor.
I want to eat
So
it.
cool. Oh, it has a lot of glitter.
Oh no, I am not taking it. No.
Okay, guys, look at this. This is very difficult for me. I don't know about you
I
guys,
think-
but for
Rubik
me.
Cube.
I'm just saying, Ma, but this is red.
No, can you see this? White with red, it makes pink, right? So this pink.
Well, this is orange.
Starry, make sure you fix it, okay? Same color.
So I don't know.
What is that? That's not a fidget, sorry.
Look, it's another one of those.
Yeah, this one is my favorite. One of my favorites.
I got one too.
You got one too?
Daddy, you can play with this, okay?
How about this? What is this?
So this is like a ball, so I can jump on you.
Oh my god, those are not fidgets either.
Whoa!
That's a fidget. What is that? A little dinosaur?
I'm in love. Look at
With
this.
what?
I'm white, guys. I'm actually white, guys.
Baby dinosaur.
Okay, this is white. No, I'll get the dinosaur.
Son adorables. Los amo, los amo. Look, give me.
No,
it's mine.
Those are the best.
Look at this. This is like a marshmallow.
Wait,
Yeah.
the shark versus the It's just I love this little pig. I always have it.
Okay, so my favorites are these and definitely
The little ones.
the little ones.
My favorite one.
The little ones are the
My favorite one is like
ever.
this thing, whatever this one.
So the winner of this challenge was Siri. She got the most. So she's gonna be keeping all the fidgets. Yeah! Alright guys, so we're done with this challenge. We have the winner here. And so she's the winner. She's gonna be giving you guys something. The iPhone 12! So we're doing the iPhone 12 giveaway, guys. This iPhone, we're gonna give it on our next video, okay?
Yeah.
So if you guys wanna enter, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications.
To enter this.
That's it. Super easy. Head over to our Instagram at Jancy Family. Comment on our latest post why you would like to win the iPhone, guys.
So you can get this iPhone.
That's right, super easy. And now we're gonna be giving out some post notification shout outs, and we are ready. So the first shout out is gonna be for Anthony Jordan. Shout out to you.
The next shadow is gonna be for drum roll, please.
Michelle Patterson. Shout out to you.
And the last shadow is gonna be for the last drum roll.
CJ Mayer. Shout out to you. So that'll be it for this video, guys. We love you guys so much. And like we always say, we'll see you guys next